Hey everyone, this is the Traveling Tacos. I'm here outside my second Kuku camper van. I'm really excited about this one. This is one of their brand new Metris vans, their M class. This van literally only had 333 miles on it when I picked it up this afternoon, so we're one of the very first people to use it, and I'm really excited to show you guys. If you've watched my other video, you'll see that this one's a lot smaller than the last van. The last time we got to take one of the Class C Lux vans out. This is the M class or the Metris. Okay, so like I said, this is my second van with Kuku here. The last time we had one of their Class C Lux vans, one of the biggest ones. So it had a roof rack, we could stand up in it. This one is much different, but it's gonna be perfect for our weekend getaway here. So all of our bedding will be covered up. We'll take this table, we'll fold it down. We've got a bunch of our stuff here in the storage. Got all my stuff down there. We totally completely filled the shelves with our food. Running water. One of the biggest differences, like I said, is the size, but the technology, all the cool lights, everything like that are all the same. We're gonna have a fan, we could even have a heater. One of the biggest things though is the way that the van is arranged. So in the bigger van, the fridge is right over here with the sink, and over here on this one, it's down here. So this will be our little mini fridge for the weekend. As you can see, we've got it fully stocked. So each one of their vans is a little different, has different designs on them, set up a little differently. So this is their newest Metris van. Really excited about this. Everything loaded up in the van, got the dogs. Only thing we're waiting on is John, and then we're ready to hit the road. I think I hear him coming. Now we can finally hit the road. Alright everyone, we made it back to Denver from the Terry All Reservoir. We had a super successful quick weekend down there, down outside of Fairplay. The Kuku camper van kept us nice and warm all weekend. Our friends got a little cold in their tents. They kind of wanted to pack things up, but we had such a blast in the van. Everything was wonderful. This M class was perfect for us to just do a quick getaway. The bed was perfect. We even managed to fit 2 dogs inside of here. So overall, super great weekend. Thanks again, Kuku Campers. We can't wait until next time. Thanks again, Kuku Campers. We can't wait until next time.
Okay, we can't.